Welcome to another how-to video from ADSM Driving School. I'm Andrew, and in this video we're going to be looking at turning left at the end of the road. It's also called emerging left. Before we get started, please remember to like and subscribe to this channel and hit that notification button. So to go more in depth into approaching junctions, roundabouts and hazards, check out my link here. And let's get on with turning left at the end of the road. As you approach the end of the road to turn left, remember to follow the mirrors, signal, position, speed and look routine. Have a look at the car's position as I approach. Notice that I follow the curb round up to the line. Let's have a look at the driver's perspective of what's going on. Still following the mirrors, signal, position, speed and look routine. As well as following the routine on the approach, start planning and assessing the junction that you are approaching. So let's have a look at what I'm doing as we approach this junction. So we start off the routine, mirrors, signal, position, speed, and then look. I choose first gear because it's a closed junction. I give a couple of extra checks. I pull out into the new road. I've checked my door mirror and my rear view mirror. I've changed gear and I've got myself going up to a safe and legal speed for that road. Let's have a look at the left door mirror view. I'm staying fairly consistent distance all the way along. I tuck in a little bit closer as I come up to the white line at the end of the road. As I pull onto the new road, I then return back to my normal position, which is about a metre from the curb. Thank you for watching this video on how to turn left at the end of the road. I hope you found it useful and that it supports your learning and supports your progress to passing your test and driving safe on UK roads. Remember, you can always check out my other videos on my channel, and please remember to like and subscribe and hit that notification button. Remember to plan ahead and drive safe.